Hi guys, this is Sadik from Driving.com, and in this video we'll show you how to fix the issue of Mac OS Sequoia missing from your Mac PC. So I have seen quite a few reports wherein users have said that the latest Mac OS update is not available on their PC even though their Mac is a part of the supported Mac list. So please, first and foremost, go through this list and make sure that your Mac is part of this list. So even if your Mac belongs to this list and you are still not able to get hold of the latest update, then in this video I'll show you the reason of this issue and more importantly how to fix this. So let's get started. The reason why you are not getting the update is simply because you are not, or rather your account is not part of the Apple developer account. You just have to link your Apple account with the Apple developer account, and once you do so, you will then get the update in just a few moments. So regarding that, there are two approaches. You could either go to the Apple developers website, from there go to the accounts page and then log into your account. In my case, I've already signed into my account. Or if you have an iPhone, you could also simply install the Apple developers app on your iPhone and then type in your name, address, phone number, and in both of these cases you will have to reach the last step. The last step will ask you to make a purchase, but please don't make any purchase. You don't have to shell out any bucks whatsoever. As soon as you reach this page, simply close the page, and once you close the page, once that is done and once you reach this page, don't make any purchase. Simply close the app or close the website, or you may leave it open. You will get something like this: to continue your enrollment, complete your purchase, do not complete your purchase. Likewise, in the app you will be shown here and it will ask you to complete the purchase. Simply close the app and close the window as well. With this, we have at least linked our Apple account with the Apple developers page. So once that is done, you will now have to wait for a few seconds, and it is also recommended to do a restart of your Mac. Once you do a restart, then go to the settings menu, system settings, and from here go to general, then go to software update, then go to beta update, click on the information icon and choose the Mac OS Sequoia developer beta and click on done. Once that is done, wait for a few seconds and then you will get this update on your Mac. Finally hit the upgrade now button, and with this your task stands complete. So again, I am repeating just for the sake of reference. So by default, your Apple account might not be linked with the Apple developer ID. So simply go to this website or install the Apple developer app on your iPhone, then link your account by giving your phone number, address and everything as such. And as soon as you reach the payment profile, simply close the page. There is no need to make any payment. Once you are in the payment page, close it everything, then do a restart of your Mac, wait for a few seconds, then go to system settings, general, software update, beta update. By default it might be off. Click on the information icon, again click on off and choose Mac OS Sequoia developer beta. Click on done. Now wait for a few seconds, around 8 to 10 seconds in most cases, and after that you will get the update on your Mac. So guys, on that note, I round off this video. If you have any queries with regard to any of the steps, do let me know in the comment section, and thanks a lot for watching.